How do you feel?
Oh my gosh, so good. Wow, it's like a shock. You know, it's like electric shock. It goes through your body, but it's good. So I'm on top of the castle ruins of Parga. This castle has been built, I think it was built before like 1400s, and has been ruled by Venetian Republic. So this has been a big stronghold for Venetian Republic. Then the Ottoman Empire. Look at this beautiful tower room. I love it. So cool. It's still remains. Obviously it's ruins, but anyway. So the Ottoman Empire conquered this castle and then was keeping it for 2 years, and then the Venetian Empire got it back apparently. So it's kind of cool. Interesting history facts. I love it here. It's like on top of the Parga here, and I love it. There's no one around. Also, like I'm the only person here pretty much. It's very quiet as opposed to like when you go down to the beach, like there's full of people, full of tourists. And yeah, I mean, it's quite hot. Like it's not that easy to get up there, I guess, because it's up the hill. But I love it actually. It's nice. It's quite peaceful over here. You can overlook and see the whole city, the two beaches on both sides. I love the smell of the pine trees. There's some olive trees here as well. But like there's pine trees, like really old pine trees, and they smell so good. Like, and yeah, it has a nice, real nostalgic vibe about it. I really love it here actually. Nice. Alright, that was a little tour in a Venetian castle. Feel free, the guys, to come over here because it's for free. If you guys are visiting Parga also.
Kalispera, I'm Nikos. I will explain you how we eat barbouni here in Greece. In Taverna Stefanos, we have behind also the fisherman. Stefan.
Oh, hello.
Okay, a small tip.
Okay.
You see the knife and the fork?
Yeah.
This is only for the salad.
Yeah.
Barbouni we eat with fingers, with
Yeah.
our hands.
Yeah.
Okay, whatever is crispy, you can eat it. Except the middle bone, because we leave it for the cats.
Okay.
Okay.
Middle bone, yeah.
Enjoy.
Right.
Thank you very much.
you.
Thank you. Can I try yours first?
Yeah.
Give me.
I put some bueno and chocolate. To be sour, can you feel it?
Yeah. I like the sour bit.
Cool.
The sweet and sour. Let's try my one. So it's mango, pineapple, a bit of sour cherries as well. I like it. Morning. From sunny Parga, Greece. So, starting off the day, going to the boat, gonna catch the boat, and going to Paxos Island. It's gonna be cool, we're gonna explore everything, and then we'll see how it goes later, okay? So, yeah, keep you updated. That all day, every day, with a filo pastry, right? And then what is this? That's a
Spinach pie.
Oh, it's nice. Also with feta, I think, right? It's cool. Alright, let's have some quick breakfast before we take off. Okay, we got 40 minutes now over here, so we're gonna just jump in, swim for a bit, and then we're going to Paxos Island. So yeah, let's do this. Yeah, we have like half an hour left. And then we're just jumping on our boat, and then it's gonna be just 1 hour back to Parga. And yeah, that's the end of the boat trip for today, I think. But we're gonna do one last swim. And it's super hot out here now, I don't know why. Alright, let's swim here quickly and then go back to the boat. Okay, back to our bumpy spots. Back to our bumpy spots.
Yeah. Oh my god. I'm gonna struggle now one more time.
You wanna say something to the camera? Why not? Any feedback of Paxos? Any reviews? Any suggestions? Any advice when people are visiting this island?
didn't have enough time to go around the island.
Actually, yeah, for us, we had only 2 hours, right? I feel like 2 hours is not enough. I would prefer maybe 4. No, because I mean, this town is not that big anyway. But I feel like 2 was not enough. Because especially when we're traveling already like 1 hour at least from Parga, and we were quite tired and like, from bumpy ride. So I feel like 4 hours would be perfect time to kind of be ready, acclimated, and But still,
Or we can stay overnight.
We'll stay, yeah, one night here, but yeah, I mean, it's not an island, it's not that big, but yeah, I mean, it's fine. Thank you, man. Thank you, man.
Find the page of the boat.
I guess they're not free because they have their...
Yeah, they're wild ones.
Yeah, no, they're no wild ones.
Come on, bite. I mean, they're running freely, so I think that might be a wild ones, right? I mean,
They have their colors.
anyway, the boat trip was amazing. Definitely a must if you're staying in Parga, because it's just the port is just next door here, like nearby, and we paid like £40 each for the whole day trip.
40 euros.
40 euros, yeah, sorry, 40 euros. And yeah, it's really cool, really cool. Definitely made our trip much better than it was before, right? It's quite nice, just looking at that blue water and
Be on the boat.
be on a boat, yeah, just to feel the movement, and it's very relaxing in some ways, but yeah, it's really cool. Yeah, if you guys around here, just make sure you check out the boat trip. Yeah, cool. So just arrived at Acheron River. It's like a cold mountainous river. So you must wear these kind of like waterproof, not waterproof, but like water swimming shoes. There's big rocks there, and like it's not really suitable with flip-flops or barefoot. It might be slippery, or it's much more comfortable, I think, to walk with like proper shoes. I actually destroyed my feet earlier as I was flying a drone in Parga, because there was like little shells and rocks. But this looks pretty cool, I think. As you can see, there's like mountains around us, and apparently this river is like, hey, like the river is 52 kilometers long. It's quite long. I mean, 52 kilometers, I think. Oh my gosh, it's so cold.
Oh, I want to get out.
Yeah, jump in, man. Jump in. The water is not cold for you?
No.
Really? That's cool, man.
No.
Hello.
Where you come from?
London, yeah.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Okay, here we are.
So today we are at the beautiful
What is this place?
Acheron
River, yeah?
river.
Yeah.
We will have the most exciting day
we're just gonna-
our life.
So we're gonna walk up or down
I
or?
think it's better up. Because up it's...
That's
το
cool.
φαράγγι είναι πολύ άλλο γιγάρα, είναι πολύ.
What's the temperature of the water?
I think it's like 12.
6. 12 it was there, 6.
It was there, they said 6. 6
Okay.
degrees. Brilliant.
Nice. Let's do this. It's alright. Do you want me to jump in the water, baby?
Yes, please. You gonna take the t-shirt off?
Yeah, I will, yeah. Okay, finally.
Ready?
Yeah.
How do you feel?
Oh my gosh, so good.
Wow, it's like a shock. You know, it's like electric shock. Goes through your body, but it's good. Okay, let's go further. Cheers, man. Well, I guess you just walk through the river here and it's between the cliffs. I think it's very pretty. I don't want the water to touch my funny part. Okay, ready? You guys ready? No, 3, 2, 1, yeah? 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I'm good. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you go.
It's okay, no, it's all good. Ready? So good. That was so cool. It was so refreshing. I think that's it. That was a nice little walk. We're gonna go back to the bike, I guess. I feel like it's good to leave.
Good.
Yes. Oh, you woke
saved
up.
me.
You saved him.